What's up guys, KJ here, just giving a quick update on the video I released about a week ago, the 5 reasons that I was bullish. So I want to do this as quickly as possible. Let's look at how btc.d adjusted behaved in this latest move. So if you remember, this was a little over a week ago, I was expecting this 200-day weekly moving average to get tested. It did. If you look at it on the daily, it's very clear, like, hey, it didn't want to go through on the first pass, which is normal. And the implications of that is retesting the bottom of the range, which we did. These candle closes here, these held. We got a little wick below. That's bullish, actually, the fact that it held, and then a nice daily candle. So BTC is starting to look like it's going to flirt with the top of the range, or potentially even break out of it altogether. But the thing that was most notable to me was the adjusted BTC.D. As BTC has been bouncing the past 3 days, you can see these candles. This is going down and starting to look like it's going to be a bear flag that breaks. So for me, I interpret that as risk behavior, bullishness in the market. If we look over at ETH is at the top of the range now. This isn't exactly the place to open a long per se, but if you got some spot exposure, you're really kind of in the driver's seat at this point. FBTC, this was arranged since April of 2021, which stop ran it, and this is supposed to go all the way back, really, and it's holding on right now. It does appear to be a bear flag, but if you look at the weekly, like, we're right at resistance here. If we break through and you see the adjusted BTC.D going below 56, I believe that all alts are going to pump super hard. So the implications of a breakdown below 56 here is I don't think it would stop here, but at the very least you're going to be in the mid 53s. So that's like when BTC.D drops like 5% or whatever, something like that, like even more potentially, there's a really nice opportunity for alts. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Just wanted to give you that update. Make sure to tune into my YouTubes, and hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.